Most people think estate planning starts with a will, sometimes even a cheap one. $100 will, $300, maybe $500 for an estate plan. And they assume that one document is going to handle everything. I mean, good grief, that's not realistic. Estate planning isn't about documents. It's about responsibility, your responsibility. It's about deciding in advance who makes decisions if you can't, who controls the assets, how does the property going to move, how is your family protected, what happens if things actually don't go according to plan. Because things don't always go according to plan. People don't always die in the order we think they're going to. People don't always stay married to the people we think they're going to stay married to. And that's the whole point of planning. So when you work with a firm like ours, we don't start with forms. We don't start with a will template. We're not going to offer you a $500 estate planning package. We start with the big picture. Your family, your farm, your business, your values, and the risks that you may not even be thinking about yet. These aren't things that can be done as a fill in the blank, because good estate planning isn't reactive. It's not fill in the blank. It's proactive and it's customized. It anticipates problems before they turn into disasters. It fits your situation to the plan. So where do you actually begin? You begin by getting grounded in reality. First, we need to know what you own. What land? What's the farm ground? When did you acquire it? What about the buildings? The equipment, businesses, other entities, other investments, life insurance. All of that we need to know about. Second, we need to know about your people. Who do you trust with financial decisions if you're incapacitated? Who do you trust with your medical decisions if you can't speak for yourself? Who can manage things? Who can be impartial? When emotions are high, who can be objective? And that stress is real, who can weather the storm? Third, you need to talk to an estate planning attorney who does this every day. I'm not talking about somebody who dabbles in wills and trusts. Your first clue should be if they offer you any estate plan that is $500 or a $300 will, this isn't something that they know deeply. This isn't a side project to us. This is our heart and soul of the firm. This is what we want to do. Protect your life savings, your farm, your business, and often the work and savings of the generations that came before you. If that matters to you, you need to act like it. Estate planning isn't about finding the cheapest document. It's about doing it right. When we work with the client, we want to know that we're doing it the right way and that it's a plan that fits exactly what they need. If this is helpful to you, check out farmlawyer.com, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me for some more real-world and estate planning guidance for how we can work with you to design a farm estate plan that's going to protect what matters most.